Students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be okay in your respective homes. The government is devising policy to conduct your examinations in the month of October or November online. So it is wise attempt to remain inside your homes. Stick to the books because hard work has no second option. Secondly, the COVID-19 infection is moving around. For saving yourselves from this deadly virus, you need to keep yourselves in home isolation so that you can benefit yourselves in two ways, or we can say dual ways. One, you will prepare yourselves for the coming examinations, and second, you will defeat COVID-19 infection. It's class 10th subject maths exercise 13.2. Question number 3. You are watching the mathematical statement on the board. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 bottles, each shaped like a cylinder, with two hemispherical ends, with height 5 centimeter and diameter 2.8 centimeter. Dear students, I will continue my lecture. I will solve your mathematical problem in Kashmiri language so that the communication gap will never turn a hurdle and you will understand things better in the end. Gulab jamun. This is cylindrical shape. Yapır çat hemispherical end. Yapır, yapır. तो यात कुल वॉल्यूम छु तमिक तथ किस 30% मन शुगर सिरप यानी शरबत गुलाब जामुन मन 30% वॉल्यूम मन शरबत मगर युस ये शक्ल छु इम बोटले हंस यात यपर ह्यूमोसेफियर यपर ते ह्यूमोसेफियर मजबाग छि सिलेंडर टोटल हाइट छि 5 सेंटीमीटर whose diameter is 2.8 centimeter. तुई वनु से 50 बोतलन मज कोता आस शुगर सिरप अगर 30% वॉल्यूम छ शुगर सिरप सॉल्यूशन चूंकि इस हाइट एम सारी टोटल हाइट ऑफ द बोतल सारी बोतल एम हाइट 5 सेंटीमीटर इस डायमीटर cylinder diameter of cylinder and hemispherical ये 2.8 centimeter radius कोता आस तलेमु diameter नेसफ सो 2.8 divided by 2 2 1s out 2 4s yes 1.4 centimeter hemispherical whose radius hemispherical radius of hemispherical यह length या height यह length या height सो कोता 1.4 वह सवाल कि cylindrical parts क्या रोज height यपर छात radius 1.4 hemispherical यपर ते छात radius 1.4 centimeter total छात height 5.5 centimeter tel क्या रोज height of length of height of cylindrical part image height कोसा रोज चूंकि 5 ची कुल बे वासन 2 डबल वासमस 1.4 वास एकें 1.4 वास बेगें निमच हाइट 1.4 निमच हाइट 1.4 एमच रेडियस 1.4 से गो एमच हाइट को 5 minus 2 4s are 8 2 1s are 2 5s was 2.8 as was 2.2 पे वन हाइट छिमच कुल बोटल हंस कोसा 5 centimeter diameter 2.8, radius diameter of nesaf 2.8 divided by 2 1.4 centimeter. चूंकि इस radius हेमोसेफियरस यह length या height 1.4 centimeter. Height of cylindrical part kota roy total height 5 centimeter. Tel bach 1.4 yapar di 1.4 yapar kya ye hemosepheric radius yeh height di. 5 minus twice 1.4. Tel 5 minus twice 1.4 karo is go 2.8 so 2.2 roz tel kimuch height cylinder. Much volume karo. Volume of each bottle. Yani X bottle mas kota volume. So volume of cylinder, cylindrical part. Plus volume of two hemispherical ends. Zichat hemispherical ends. The students cylinders near volume pi r square h plus hemispherical near 2 bata 3 pi r cube. Chunki z hemispherical end doyo se demo zar. Pi goes 2 bata 7 r 1.4. Each double r go 1 r square into height kasa rose kath cylinder so 2.2 plus yeah 2 से दिमाग सुधे यार even 4 by 3 pi r cube tension double you go 4 by 3 pi is 2 bata 7 r 1.4 1.4 into 1 4 is r 3 yet sat was kasat 7 1 zao 7 0 zao 7 2 zao I drew 2 there be 0.2 there be 1.4 there be 2.8 11 0 karo even 13.522 plus. Çünkü 7 1 za 7 0 za 7 2 za adra 4 zarbi 2 zarbi 0.0 zarbi 1.4 zarbi 1.4 divided by yes near kah point 4 hatta 11.498 niman düşmeyin karo was add ko 3.5 3.552 plus 11.498 8 जगह 10 9 5 14 तागे 15 16 5 9 तागे 5 16 9 तागे 10 3 तागे 4 तागे 5 8 तागे 2 approximately 15.05 ekis bottle volume which corners volume of 45 bottles تلتمو 15.05 ahdimo zarab Kasan bottlen sait, pastajan bottlen sait. Yuti pastajan bottlen sait da zarab demo even kah pastaji zarbi 15.0 kashat 1.5 kashat 1.5 15.05 ademo pastaja sa zarab even kah point 7 kashat 1.5 Çünkü sugar syrup is 30% of volume. ये सिर्फ 30% of volume स्ताम तो वो 30% वो 3 बटा हाथ वॉल्यूम पता चल का 0.7.5 ये 0 तो ये 0 गस कैंसल 3 2 जाओ 3 years are 24 3 2 are 6 6 to shut the 8 3 7 are 21 3 2 are 6 6 to big is 8 3 1s are 3 3 1s are 3 divided by gas 10 तो वहाँ को 338 1.84 divided by 10 so go 338 centimeter cube go approximate volume. Your students problem got solved for you. In case of any confusion strikes your mind, you can call me on 7006 671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number and your confusion will be cleared within short duration of time. Even you are free to post your query on my email, that is kgm38864 @gmail.com, and within short duration of time, if you post your query there, it will be cleared or answered. Dear students, it's enough for today, but you do time to the mathematics because you need constant practicing inside your homes so that to learn mathematics well. Thanks. Be balanced.